The Jet Pilot is one of the most infamous cocktails in the history of tiki cocktails. If you ordered this at a restaurant, would you order it again? Let's find out if I would. And away we go. We're gonna start by cutting a lime in half. We need 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. Pour that into a mixing tin. Then squeeze 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice, preferably white grapefruit juice, into the tin. Next up, we need 1/2 ounce of cinnamon-infused sugar syrup. Add that to the batch there. Okay, come on. 1/2 ounce of falernum. I like this Tippelman stuff. It's got a nice spice to it. Syrup in slow-mo is super slow. Find your bottle of bitters. Why don't we give it 1 big shake of Angostura bitters? Oh, 2 shakes. All right, we'll do 2. And then a couple of drops of Pernod. We need 6 drops of Pernod. A couple drops of saline solution there just to make the thing pop. Shout out Thirsty Whale. And then 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum. I like this Hamilton Pot Still Black for dark Jamaican rums. 3/4 ounce of gold Puerto Rican rum. We're gonna be using this Bacardi 8. I gotta be honest, I do enjoy the cork pop from the Hamilton bottles, but the Bacardi 8 does a good job too. Let's add that in with everything else. And then Hamilton 150, ooh, see, told you, it's a good one. Hamilton 151 Demerara is the next rum. We're going to smack that thing closed, just like you smack the like button. Smack that like button, by the way. Throw some pebble ice into the concoction. And then on the Hamilton Beach, just for a little bit there. I look exhausted, don't I? And then pour that into one of your fancier cocktail glasses. This is a vintage one from the 1950s. Look at how good that looks. You can see all the bubbles and the air in there from the Hamilton Beach. Just looks delicious. Why don't we garnish this with some pineapple leaves and a Luxardo cherry skewered to a metal pick. And then, ooh, look at that. We're gonna take a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters on top of the ice on top, just for aesthetics. And from Stephen Crane's Luau in Beverly Hills in 1958, this is the Jet Pilot. Modeled after Don the Beachcomber's test pilot, Stephen Crane devised this concoction in 1958 and called it the Jet Pilot. I love this drink. Is this a cocktail that I would order again? Yes, but that comes with a caveat. I love this cocktail, but this is not a cocktail that you should enjoy if you are planning on having several cocktails in the night. This is not a cocktail you should enjoy at the end of the night after you've been drinking. It compounds all of the effects of all of the other cocktails radically. It's this, dude. It's the 151. This will get you. So, that being said, let me taste this and see if I would truly order this again. This is the 1958 recipe from Stephen Crane. Dude, it's so good. I love this drink so much. It's heavy on the cinnamon. You get the Pernod, which is like a bit of that like licorice kind of flavoring, but it's so far in the back just to add like a little bit of something. Certainly not a licorice cocktail. The falernum is present. The mix of rums is just perfect. And especially when you use that combination of Hamilton rums. I do love the Bacardi 8 too. This is a great cocktail. I would absolutely recommend this to anybody. I would absolutely order it again. But let's find out if editor Jared would also order this again.
Ba-da-bum-bum.
Welcome back to the show, Jared.
Thank you for having me.
I mean, you've been on the other side of the camera the whole time.
Yes,
so.
okay, yes, of course, yes.
Have you ever had a Jet Pilot?
I haven't. I'm very excited, and I'm just gonna dive right in here.
All right.
I'm afraid of getting like spiked here by the spike thingies. Spike. Wow, it's very boozy, but I will say that might be the most amazing drink I've ever had.
You say that every time.
No,
but it is truly incredible, isn't it? If you ordered that at a bar, would you order it again?
I would for sure.
He would. All right.
Bring me 2.
That being said, folks, if you've enjoyed this, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and if you don't hit that subscribe button,
I'll cry. Do you want to watch a grown man cry?
no.
Can I take this?
No! I wanted to drink that.